Alright, here comes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22. And should be leading 44. There he comes. Well, there we go. That's the northbound Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 leading 44 plus horn show, and that might be it for now. But do not be surprised if we get a northbound Union Pacific after the Amtrak heads towards the station where the light turns yellow on the main track. Let's hope it does as the Amtrak is heading towards the station. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy the video and everything. So please like and subscribe my channel and send to all my videos that I have out there. Thank you very much. Bye bye.